Hi, my name's Hannah Nunn and I'm a nutritional therapist specialising in age-related macular degeneration. In this video, we're going to be talking about oxidative damage, also known as oxidative stress, because it's one of the disease processes behind age-related macular degeneration. So what is it and can we do anything about it? One of the best examples that we're familiar with of oxidation is the formation of rust, which is where the metal iron comes in contact with water and oxygen. So I think we're all familiar with that. But what happens when there's oxidation within the body? In order to understand oxidative damage within the body, we first need to talk about free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that contain oxygen that have an uneven number of electrons, and this makes them unstable. Now, being unstable means that they more easily react with other molecules. They have a desire to stabilize themselves, and in order to do this, they try and steal electrons from other molecules. Now, these electrons could come from our DNA, from protein, from fats, but in doing this, they cause damage to these other molecules, and they damage cells and even cause cell death. You may have heard of the term antioxidant. Now, an antioxidant is a molecule that can donate a spare electron to a free radical without becoming damaged itself, without becoming unstable itself. So antioxidants can stabilize these free radicals, can neutralize these free radicals and protect other molecules from being damaged. So antioxidants are our defense mechanism against free radicals and against oxidative damage. A very simple analogy that I've heard to try and explain this is if you imagine a free radical as a car with only 3 wheels. So this car's unstable, it's wobbly, and it's likely to cause an accident. It needs another wheel in order to stabilize itself. So it tries to steal a wheel from another car. But in so doing this, that other car, that second car, is going to become unstable itself, causing risk of accident. If you imagine our antioxidant as a big 18-wheeler lorry, it can spare one of its wheels without becoming too unstable itself. So we can donate one of its wheels to the wobbly car with 3 wheels in order to stabilize that and prevent the risk of any accidents. Now, it's important to note that not all oxidation in the body is harmful. Oxidation within healthy cells is a normal and necessary process. Free radicals are actually used as a defense mechanism to ward off viruses and bacteria that may be invading. The problem occurs when there are too many free radicals and oxidative damage occurs. Oxidative damage from free radicals has been associated with many chronic diseases, such as diabetes, neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, heart disease, atherosclerosis, inflammation, and of course, AMD. So where do these damaging free radicals come from? Well, some come from processes within the body, and some come from external sources, such as cigarette smoking, pesticides, radiation, drugs, air pollution. The retina is particularly vulnerable to oxidative damage because it is exposed to high energy light, and that is a source of oxidative stress. It's also a very metabolically active part of the body, so it has a high demand for oxygen, a high demand for energy, and this produces free radicals. Over time, cumulative damage due to oxidative stress can contribute to the onset and progression of AMD. So what can we do about it? Well, we want a balance between free radical production and antioxidants in order to maintain healthy cells. So we want to reduce free radical production and ensure that there is sufficient antioxidants there to combat them. So where can we get antioxidants from? Well, some antioxidants are made by the body, such as glutathione, and the body needs certain nutrients in order to make sufficient levels. So certain vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, for example. Other antioxidants are in the form of micronutrients that we can't make and have to be supplied by the diet. So examples of this are vitamin C and vitamin E. Other natural substances found in plant foods have been shown to have powerful antioxidant properties. A high intake of antioxidant-rich foods has been linked to a lower risk of disease. So first and foremost, a whole food, nutrient-rich diet is the best thing that you can do to support antioxidant levels in the body, because then you'll be getting enough of these micronutrients, these antioxidant-rich foods, and all the nutrients that you need for your body to make its own endogenous antioxidants. Also note that a processed food diet will not only be nutrient deficient, it will also be a source of these damaging free radicals. Here are some top tips for combating oxidative stress in the body. Eat a variety of plant foods rich in antioxidants: fruit, veg, whole grains, pulses, nuts and seeds. When it comes to fruit and veg, eat the rainbow to ensure you're getting the whole range of antioxidant potential. Include herbs and spices when you're cooking: garlic, ginger, turmeric, rosemary, cumin, cinnamon. These are excellent sources of antioxidants. Drink 2 cups of green tea a day. Avoid foods that are high in refined carbohydrate and sugar. These produce more free radicals in the body. Limit processed meats such as bacon and sausages. These contain preservatives that increase free radicals in the body. Avoid cooking with polyunsaturated seed oils or vegetable oils, which oxidize when heated. This is also a source of free radicals. Limit alcohol and avoid cigarette smoke. Eat organic where possible. Detox your household cleaning products and beauty products. Look for brands that are more natural, containing less chemicals. Filter your tap water and avoid drinking from plastic containers. And finally, exercise, fasting and cold showers are all practices that can stimulate production of our own antioxidants. Thank you for listening. I hope you found that helpful. If you want to find out more about how nutrition can help you with AMD and your overall health, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you. Bye-bye.